hunters risk falling. And so does the prey. The lizard is caught between a rock and a high place. The bobcat prefers rodents to reptiles. The raven is less fussy. The animal crawling into number 8 has found a daring way to avoid danger from the sky. It's a web-toed salamander. It lives on steep hills in the Sierra Nevada mountains. It doesn't run from danger. It rolls. The salamander is number 8 because it falls off a cliff with no fear, no brakes, and no safety equipment. Unlike other freewheeling daredevils. Humans don't bounce like salamanders. In America alone, 500,000 cyclists a year end up in emergency rooms. Even when things are hardly wrong, some salamanders have no need for specialist medical care. If it loses a leg, it simply grows a new one. Incredible healing powers make the salamander's wheelies relatively low risk. If other daredevils make a mistake, they die.